In front of me is Honor 9X Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at the very beginning you need to open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, and here click on Fingerprint ID. And at first you need to set some lock screen firstly, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and then re-enter this PIN to confirm. So we've just set up backup to our fingerprint, and now select Unlock Device to activate Fingerprint Unlock. Now just turn your device around as your sensor is located right here. And okay, let me open it again. Where is our fingerprint? So let me click on it again. And let's provide this PIN one more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pick Unlock Device, and here just keep tapping on the sensor. And a few more times to add the edges. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. You just add a fingerprint to your Honor 9X Pro, tap on OK, and from now on you can smoothly unlock your device either with this backup pattern, or obviously with the setup fingerprint. So let me just grab the phone like this, and as you can see, this is how you can unlock your phone. And this is it. That will be all. This is how you can protect your phone with this fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.